Okay.
I'm scared.
You're scared? You're scared? Are you scared?
Yeah.
How many chickens?
We have 2 chickens today.
2 chickens.
Oh, there we go. We always wanted to know.
Hey! Hey.
This has anything to do with Angry Birds?
It does. We're gonna have chickens in town, in the theater for each of our showings of Angry Birds this weekend, and we're trying to get other birds too. We're still looking for parakeets and finches and parrots, but all we've come up with so far are chickens.
And these aren't very angry chickens, I might add.
They aren't. Uh-oh.
I need one
What breed of chickens are these?
You know, I don't know.
They're Rhode Island Reds.
Do it.
Now, gee,
Oh.
Did it peck you? These chickens have names?
No, I don't think so. Anyone have a name?
I touched it.
Anyone have a name for the
Oh
chickens?
my gosh.
Well, I think they want concessions. Should we go see if we have popcorn for the chickens?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try to get a hold of them.
I know big chickens farm.
No, just toss it on the ground.
Well, they seem to like theater popcorn.
So,
Take
we're
turns, girls.
applying for a government grant for this.
You want to do it too? Okay, that's enough, girls. Now let Sheila do it.
Jay, this one garbage
Yum,
over
yum.
here
Okay.
needs a bag. So, where would I find them?
Boy, they're underneath
Okay, now stop.
that cash register.
Cheyenne, don't. She
Not the other one.
They pooped all day.